If you don't want people to know when you've read their WhatsApp messages, this video will show you exactly how to hide the blue tick marks. And before we start, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more quick and helpful tutorials like this one. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open the WhatsApp application on your phone. From here, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Privacy, which will open all of your WhatsApp privacy settings. The option we're looking for here is called Read Receipts, to hide the blue tick marks and stop other people from seeing when you've read their messages. Simply turn Read Receipts off, and that's it. Just keep in mind that this setting works both ways, meaning you also won't be able to see when other people read your messages. One important thing you should know is that this setting does not work for group chats. In group conversations, blue tick marks will still appear once everyone in the group has read the message. This is how WhatsApp is designed, and there's currently no way to disable read receipts for group chats. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I will see you soon.